Hey Little Miss Sunshine, it's Samar and Sanam. We're sisters from Irvine, California, and we're so excited to enter your contest because this is so awesome and you are awesome. And as you can see, Joe is joining us as well for this.
Hi Joe.
This is for you. Okay, so we wrote a little rap and we're going to rap it to you, and so hopefully you like it. Okay.
Oh, shall we, yo?
Okay, give me a beat. Okay. Hey Little Miss Sunshine, you are the best. It's Samar and Sanam, the OC's Fresh Princess. Jonas Brothers for sure pass the test. Their single SOS wipes out the rest. They are so talented and so funny. Their hair reminds me of Bugs Bunny. Nick plays the piano like no other. His curly hair reminds me of my own mother. Kevin is last but not the least. He rocks the guitar and cannot be beat. So pick me and you won't regret it. I want to be Jonasified and never forget it. Even when we're miles and miles apart, their songs will never ever leave my heart. I like the shoes, Joe, yes I do. I love how you boys write about Kung Fu. Three Musketeers have nothing on y'all. Oh no, Joe Jonas, don't fall. Oh Joe, those sunglasses are so funny. I wish I could be your honey bunny. When I hear their name, my heart skips a beat. If I get picked, I'll just fall off my seat. Oh. And basically it says, no words can describe it. I even made a rap and you can't deny it. If I win, it'll be the highlight of my life. Oh yes, of course, Joe Jonas, I'll be your wife.
I will. Joe, call me.
You know you want to give those tickets to me because this rap just cannot be beat. Peace, love, Jonas,
Jonas,
love you,
Little Miss Sunshine.
Little Miss
Thank you for this
Sunshine.
opportunity.
Thank you.
Woo!